Hey there, is your Orbi LBR20 not getting an assigned IP and causing you connectivity headaches? You're in the right place. In this guide, we're going to walk through how to fix Orbi LBR20 not getting an assigned IP. With a few simple steps, you'll have your network up and running smoothly in no time. Let's dive in. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First thing you want to do is ensure that your internet connection is working properly. Double check that your modem is connected and functioning. Verify that the cables are securely plugged in and that the indicators on your modem are showing proper connection status. If your modem has a power button, try power cycling it by turning it off and on again to refresh the connection. Step 2. Restart your Orbi router and satellite. Sometimes a simple restart can work wonders. Unplug your Orbi LBR20 router and any connected satellites from the power outlet. Wait for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. This action can help reset any temporary glitches that might be causing the IP assignment issues. Give the router a couple of minutes to reboot and stabilize. Step 3. Verify cable connection. Ensure that all cables connected to your Orbi LBR20 are properly secured. Confirm that your Ethernet cable is plugged into the LAN port on your Orbi device and the corresponding port on your modem. Loose or incorrect connections can often result in IP assignment issues, so double check these connections to rule out any physical issues. Step 4. Update Orbi firmware. Outdated firmware can lead to various connectivity issues, including trouble assigning IP addresses. Access the Orbi app or log into the router's web interface to check for any available firmware updates. Make sure your firmware is up to date by following the on-screen instructions to install the latest version. Regular updates can improve performance and resolve bugs affecting connectivity. Step 5. Configure IP settings. If updating firmware and checking connections don't solve the issue, it's time to assess your router's IP settings. Access the Orbi's web interface and navigate to the settings menu. Ensure that the IP settings are set to automatically obtain an IP address from your ISP. Incorrect manual IP settings might prevent the Orbi LBR20 from obtaining an IP address properly. Step 6. Reset Orbi to factory settings. If all else fails, consider resetting your Orbi LBR20 to factory settings as a last resort. Locate the reset button on the router, press and hold it for about 10 seconds, and release it once the power LED starts blinking. This will return the router to its original settings, so you will need to set up your network configuration again. Make sure to back up any important settings before performing the reset. Now you know how to fix Orbi LBR20 not getting an assigned IP. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and resolve common connectivity issues yourself. Whether it's checking connections, updating firmware, or resetting to factory settings, these methods will guide you in restoring your network's performance. Remember, keeping your devices updated and properly configured is key to maintaining a stable internet connection. Happy surfing!